Disaster is anything that make an individual uncomfortable. Specifically, if it destroys or if it breaks the routine of the daily activity of an individual, then that will be already a disaster. There's no significant difference sa effect. However, it is essentially very difficult to deal with natural disaster than man-made disaster because natural disaster are uncontrollable things and it is essentially uncertain, unpredictable. Now, unlike man-made, which can be mitigated by some responsible actions. Yun. And then, technological disasters are not really, in the community, are not yet perceived as a disaster. Most of them are suffering from anxiety and depression. At siyempre, yung stress, because everyone naman ay nakaka-experience ng stress, nadadagdagan pa and natitrigger pa ng mga disaster. So, sometimes yung mga naipon, sumasabog na lang yan dahil lang sa isang disaster. Because experience disaster. Actually, any change causes stress. So, mas malala lang talaga kapag disaster dahil sa it affects your daily activities. It affects not only you as a person, but also your family members, or the people around you. Kasi kung ikaw lang, medyo kakayanin pa eh. Pero pagkakasama ng ibang mga tao sa paligid mo, medyo it's a lot different, it's a lot difficult to deal with it. Initially, ang short term talaga ng effect ito dahil sa overwhelming yung experience. And most of the time, pag natural disaster, parang parang papunta yan sa kamatayan yung pakiramdam ng mga tao. And therefore, they would think that ito na yung huli nila. And lahat naman tayo gusto mapunta sa langit wala nga lang gustong mauna. At because of that idea, ayaw ng mga tao na mamatay agad, lalo pa pag hindi ka handa. So preparedness is very important even in death. So, pag marami kang mga unresolved issues, medyo mahirapan kang ma-handle itong mga bagay. Well, yung mga elderly lang ang medyo mas affected dito mga natural disaster. Siguro dahil sa dami na experience nila, yung mga bata, medyo exciting pa yung dating dito sa kanila. Kasi this is something na hindi nila naranasan ng maraming beses. Okay? Sa mga bata, ganoon din naman Children also experience stress during this type of disaster. But most would see this more of an adventure. More of exciting para sa kanilang buhay. Kakaibang experience na para sa kanila. So, ang talaga affected, number one ay mga elderly. So, habang pababa yung impact ito sa kanila. Kapag may pre-existing na mga psychological issues sa isang individual, medyo mas madali na siya matrigger. At because of that, mas madali siya maapektuhan psychologically and even physically. Tapos bumababa yung level ng hope. So, in PFA, what is important is to make sure na mapanatili ng mga provider yung idea sa mga tao that there is hope, that there is more to life than problem. Depende sa magiging assessment mo sa kanila. Not everyone who experience disaster would need psychological first aid. Sometimes, hindi lahat ng tao gusto ito. Because different people have different ways of recovering from negative experiences. So, important thing is to assess. Pag Pilipino kasi, humor. We tend to show the world that life is easy and that whatever comes, you will still be happy. Kumbaga, parang pakiramdam ng mga Pilipino, parang tayo mga disaster na tinubuhan talaga ng tao. So, it's part of our system. Pero, compare mo sa ibang mga bansa, yung sa ibang bansa lang, masunugan lang ng bahay, bahaan lang, halos mamatay na sila. Sa Pilipinas, iba tayo. Ibang dating ng disaster sa atin. So this is something that is not really perceived as a difficult moment. Kasi siguro dahil mataas yung level ng optimism natin, we see things in the brighter way. Napaka-importante niyan. Part sila ng tinatawag natin na protective factor. Mas overwhelming ang negative experience kapag mag-isa mo lang siyang hinaharap. Pero pag may mga tao, kapamilya mo, hindi man sila magsalita. Basta nandyan sila. You will be fine. Well, number one factor yung pagiging Christian ng mga Pilipino. Or kahit naman hindi Christian. Medyo tayo. Connected tayo sa spiritual being.